1 second. Let me present. Share this. I am sharing the screen. Whether you are able to see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
White screen?
Ma'am.
Okay. So I already shared the syllabus. Whether you have gone through it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so no need to go through syllabus, right? So first we will today we will start with preliminaries. So I would like to know what means what the things you know, like introductory or preliminaries. I will write. Okay, I am writing here with the red pen. Can you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check whether I started recording. Yes. Yes, so we will start with sets. Can anybody tell me what is a set?
Yes.
A set of well-defined objects.
It is a
Well-defined
Set
collection
of
of objects.
well-defined objects.
collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. Okay. Any example?
And set of natural numbers.
Okay.
Set of integers.
Objects. For example, set of natural numbers, set of
Whole
real
number.
numbers. Then any another example? This is number system. Okay, all number systems.
Set of integers.
Yeah, set of integers, set of rationals. Set of integers we denote it by I. Integers, rationals by Q. Then Q complement. Irrationals we denote by Q complement. Okay, and R is nothing but Q union Q complement, right? Rationals and irrationals forms set of real numbers. Okay, number system everybody know, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Real number system.
Yes, ma'am.
-1, -2, -3, and so on. So below. First, we this number system is very important for us. So, what is set of natural numbers? How we write it? What is it? What is that set?
1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
and so
2.
on.
1, 2, 3, and so on. It is
So on.
set of natural numbers. Then set of integers.
Plus.
What is set of integers?
Number line.
minus 2 plus minus plus.
Minus 2 plus.
And here -1, -2, -3. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
After set of natural numbers, I think
Yes, ma'am.
whole numbers we can denote by W. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, and so on. Okay. Natural numbers plus 0. What is Q? Set of rational numbers.
A number which can be written in P by Q form, where Q is not equal to 0.
-2 minus
Where
In question.
Q is not 0.
Q is not 0
Q is not
and
equal to 0.
where P and Q belongs to. P and Q are what?
Integers.
They are
I.
integers and Q not equal to 0. Right. And what are irrationals?
Square root. They are in square root.
Definition?
Non-recurring and non-terminating decimal.
Yeah, non-recurring decimal representation. Yes. So all these number system you might have familiar in your school, high school level as well as in BSc also. Okay. So I no need to go in deep. Okay. So set now what is cross product? Suppose I am having the set A and set B. Suppose A is say 1, 2, 3, and B is my say A, B, C. What is cross product?
एक रिलेशन ए मॅडम प्रत्येक एलिमेंट सोबत रिलेशन ए कॉमा 1
Okay, 1
A, comma B.
1 into B.
1 comma B.
A comma B.
1 comma B.
1
1
comma
comma
B.
B.
1
1 comma C.
1
comma
comma
C.
C. Then 2 comma
Then
A.
2 comma A. 2 comma A.
2 comma
comma
B,
B,
2
And
comma
two.
C,
C. And similar
3 comma A,
3 comma A, 3 comma
3
B.
comma B,
comma
3
C.
comma
What
C.
are these?
3
Order
comma-
pairs, right? It is A cross B is nothing but order pairs, where first element represent element from first set and second element represent element from second set, right? So what is the relation?
Multiple.
Now relation on a set A. How we define a relation on a set A? Set A. Okay, finite set, infinite set, countable. That we will go. That comes in our syllabus, so that we will take later. First, we will define a function. Okay. So for function, we should know what is the relation on a set A. What is the relation? Suppose A is my. Or first, you tell me what is the relation? If A is my some 1, 2, 3 set, what is A cross A? It is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2,
3, 2.
3, 3,
Three.
right? So
Yes.
cross product will contain 9 elements, right? If A contains 3 elements, then A cross A will contain 9 elements, 3 square. If my set contains 4 elements, then how many elements in cross product?
16.
12.
16. 16 or 12? A is 1, 2, 3, 4, then
16.
16, ma'am.
16.
16, ma'am.
16.
So if
16, ma'am.
yes, if A
16,
contains
ma'am.
n elements, then A cross A contains n square elements. Okay. So now you know what is cross product. Now what is the relation? R is called as a relation. It is any relation on a set A. I want to define a relation on a set A. This is a relation. Whether this is a relation?
Yes, it itself.
I have defined this set R containing 3 elements of this A cross A. Whether this forms a relation?
Ma'am, it is identity relation.
Yeah, I'm just asking whether it is a relation. Then we will go to types and all that things. First, I want to know what is definition of a relation on a set A. How we define? How we define a relation? It is any non-empty subset of A cross A. Any non-empty subset of A cross A is nothing but a relation on a set A. Is that okay?
मॅम साऊंड खूप स्लो येतोय.
Wait a minute. 10. Now, is it okay? Now, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That fan sound and this room is very small now, so my sound revolves here only. I kept off fan. So whether it is better now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whenever you feel some difficulty or if I'm not audible properly or if you cannot see the screen, please let me know at that time itself, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, which are the different types of relations you know? Types of relation?
Reflexive, transitive आणि सिमेट्रिक.
Reflexive, symmetric,
Transitive.
and transitive,
Equivalence.
equivalence, then antisymmetric, and then partial order. So these many types of relations you might have studied in your BSc, right? So what is reflexive? When R is said to be a reflexive relation? R is said to be reflexive. if A is related to itself, right? Or X if A related to A, right? Then it is reflexive relation. We will take examples. What is mean by symmetric relation? A related to B, it should imply B also should be related to A. Is it symmetric?
Yes.
Yes. What is transitive?
A to B, B to C, तर मग A
A
to C.
related to B. If B related to C, it should imply A must be
A
related to C.
C.
Okay. And what is equivalence? If it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So if it
One-to-one correspondence.
no relation
A
I am
equal to B equal to C.
equal to B equal to C. I want in terms of relation. Equivalence relation, a relation is said to be equivalence if it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. First three properties. Okay. Let me write it. Is equivalence if it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. It should satisfy all these three properties: reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Then we say that a relation is equivalence relation. What is antisymmetric? Antisymmetric, anybody knows? A related to B and B related to C, then it should imply A must be equal to, sorry, there is A related to B, B related to A. It should imply A must be equal to B. And what is sixth one? Sixth one is partial order. Actually, types is only 1, 2, 3, 4. These are like extra equivalence. If my relation satisfies first, second, and third property, then we say that equivalence. And if it satisfies first, third, and fifth, antisymmetric. Relation is partial order if it is reflexive, antisymmetric, and transitive, and antisymmetric. Instead of symmetric, if it satisfies antisymmetric, then we say that it is a partial order relation. Okay, definition we know. Now we will see example one by one. Can you give me an example of a relation on set of natural numbers?
F of x equal to 2x
F of x is equal to
or
x
x square.
square. Means how you will tell it is reflexive. Relation just now how we seen. What is definition? Let we go. If A is my this set, okay, and any non-empty subset of A cross A is said to be a relation. Okay. Now tell me whether this is whatever I have just now defined here, R. Can you see this R? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It is a non-empty subset of A cross A.
Yes.
Yes.
This one. This one. And this is my set A. Consider this is set A, 1, 2, 3 only. And I am defining R, a relation. It is non-empty subset of A cross A. So it is a relation. Now I want to check whether it is a reflexive relation.
Yes.
Yes. 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3.
If every real number is equal to itself, then it is said to be reflexive.
Every
Real number is equal to itself, then we can consider it as a reflexive.
reflexive. Anybody? What is that? Have you studied relations in BSc?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please tell me any example of reflexive relation or whichever you know. Or I will give some real life problem. Say, consider the class of all human beings. Okay, set as H. Then you will come to H as set of all human beings. Okay, now I define a relation that A related to B if and only if A related to B if and only if A is a brother of B. Brother of B. So whether this relation is a reflexive relation. Now can you understand? A related to B. When we will say if A is a brother of B. So whether this relation is reflexive relation?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Whether A is a brother of himself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तुम्ही तुमचेच भाऊ आहेत का? म्हणजे or if I take any girl.
No, ma'am.
Whether she or let myself. मी माझाच भाऊ आहे का?
No, man,
No,
it's
ma'am.
not reflexive.
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
A is not a brother of.
No, ma'am.
No.
When I will say if every element A is related to A for every A in H, then I will say it is a. Then it will be reflexive relation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
if A is related to A for every A in H, then we will say it is a reflexive relation on H. But
Yes.
every means every human being is not a brother of himself, no? So it is not a, this relation R is not a reflexive. So this is not reflexive. Okay? Or I will write here, no. Okay. Is it okay? This one?
Yes.
Yes.
Now whether it is symmetric,
Yes, ma'am.
whether it is symmetric, what is mean by symmetric as per our definition? If A related
Yes,
to
ma'am.
B,
Symmetrical.
it should imply
Yes, ma'am.
B related to A. So I can, if A
Yes,
is a brother of B, whether it implies B is a brother of A?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Symmetric.
Yes. परत विचार करा. This is confusing.
सिस्टर पण असू
नाही
शकते
मॅम नाही.
हा मॅम जेंडर
If
No,
you
ma'am.
take
Nine, ma'am.
Nine.
male, then it is okay. But if you take female, then it will be problem, right?
Yes.
नो मॅम.
म्हणजे एक
Yes,
मुलगा एक मुलगी घेतलं तर आय कॅनॉट से. समजा तुम्ही भाऊ बहीण असाल दोन, A and B are brother and sister. Suppose A is a brother and B is sister. Then I cannot say B is a brother of. कळतंय का तुम्हाला?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
हो
ma'am.
मॅडम.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is also not right. So it is not symmetric. This is symmetric, right? So this relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric. What about transitive? A related to B, transitive. A related to B, comma, B related to A, it should imply, sorry, transitive C.
B related to C.
B related to C, it should imply A related to C. Means what? If A is a brother of B, B is a brother of C, then A must be a brother of C. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
येस.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A is a brother of B,
Yes, ma'am.
B is a brother of C, then A must be a brother of C.
Yes,
na?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is transitive.
Transitive. Yes, ma'am.
So this is a transitive relation. What about antisymmetric? Antisymmetric. When we say antisymmetric relation, A related to B, B related to A, it should imply A is equal to B. A is the brother of B, B is the brother of A. Whether it will imply A is equal to B?
नो.
No, no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So this is not
No, ma'am.
antisymmetric relation. So whatever example I have given here, this A related to B, if and only if A is a brother of B, it is only transitive relation, neither reflexive, nor symmetric, nor antisymmetric. Okay? Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So take set of natural numbers. Now we will go to set of natural numbers. Let me change the pen. Consider set of natural numbers. Natural numbers we know. Okay, now we define a relation A related to B if and only if A divides B. Now I am defining a relation. Okay. A related to B if and only if A divides B. So now tell me whether it is reflexive. A divides B म्हणजे काय? What is mean by A divides B? What is mean by A
B is a
divides
multiple of A.
A?
B is
B is
B is
a
a multiple of A.
yes. That is there exists B is a multiple of A. That is there exists some K. K belongs to what? Which set?
Natural number.
Natural number such that B is equal to K times
A.
A. So everybody knows this, right? What? Second example. Now tell me whether this relation is reflexive. These are. Which elements it will consist of? Whether 1 is a member of this? Whether 1 is related to 1? Whether 1 divides 1?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Whether
Yes,
1
ma'am.
divides 2?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether 2 divides 4?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Whether
ma'am.
4 divides
Yes,
2?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Whether
Yes,
4
ma'am.
divides 2?
Mm.
Yes.
Whether 4 divides 2?
No.
No, no.
No, ma'am.
So this is not a member of this set, right? This is not a member. I cannot. Okay, so like this, there are infinite because n is infinite set, right? N is an infinite set, so it will contain infinite many members. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know now
Yes,
which are
ma'am.
the members, which are not the members. Okay, now tell me whether this is a reflexive relation, whether A is related to A for every natural number. A divides A for every natural number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is
Yes.
reflexive.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is reflexive. What about symmetric? A
No, ma'am.
related to B, whether it implies B related to A. No, na?
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
For
No,
example,
ma'am.
just now we have seen here 2 related to 4, but 4 is not related to 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is transitive? A related to B. If A divides B, B divides C. Whether it implies A divides C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
transitive also. So reflexive, transitive, and what about antisymmetric? A related to B. and B related to A, it should imply A is equal to B. Means A divides B, B divides A, it should imply A must be equal to B. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Antisymmetric?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is antisymmetric.
When it is
Yes,
possible
ma'am.
here. 1 divides 1 and 1 also divides 1 means. So it is antisymmetric. It must be equal to itself. Right? We can prove this, but I'm not going in detail. You can see all these things. So it is reflexive, transitive, and antisymmetric. That is, this implies this relation is R is partial order relation.
Partial order.
Hello. बोला. हो. नाही, जैन मॅडम आहे. नाही आता वेकेंट नाही आहे सीट्स. Okay, so this is R is a partial order relation. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now can you give me example of equivalence relation? Or this, whatever we have just now, first one we will see now. I have defined this. This is also non-empty subset of. We'll check whether this is. Now, can you tell me about this one? This R. This is a relation on A. A is my 1, 2, 3, just finite set. It is a subset of A cross A. So it is equivalence relation. A related to A for every A.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a reflexive.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about symmetry?
Yes.
What about symmetry?
नहीं.
Yes, ma'am. Will.
Symmetric पण है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for every A B, I forgot to write here, but it is important. For every A in that set, say for every A, whatever may be the set, okay? For every A, here for every A comma B, and for every A comma B comma C. Okay, this should hold for every A comma B of that set. So whether it is there.
Hello, ma'am. मॅम
Yes.
सगळे आयडेंटिटी ऑर्डर पेअर ह्या इक्विव्हलन्स रिलेशन करतील का मग? म्हणजे मॅम आपण इथं कसं 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 म्हणजे
नाही पण मी सेट कोणता घेतलाय 4 4 चा प्रश्नच नाही इथे.
नाही आपण डायरेक्ट सगळ्यासाठी म्हणजे नॅचरल नंबर मध्ये असं सबसेट तयार केला.
पहिले आपण ते समजण्यासाठीच मी आता छोटा सेट घेतलाय. फर्स्ट वी विल गो टू 1 2 3 दिस फायनाइट सेट.
ओके मॅम.
ओके, याचे सगळे सबसेट्स घेतले तर ते रिलेशन फॉर्म होतं आणि आता मग त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला चेक करायचं विच विल बी रिफ्लेक्सिव्ह, सिमेट्रिक, अँटीसिमेट्रिक, इक्विव्हॅलन्स, लाईक दॅट. Shall I write separately? Wait, I will write separately. For example, let's see. Consider set A, it is 1, 2, 3. Now say R1. Any subset of R cross A cross A. So I am writing 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Say R2 is another subset. 1, 2, 2, 1. कोणाचा माइक ऑन आहे? Three, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. This is also
Three,
some. Right? R4 से one 4 येणार is 1, 2. Okay, first we will see this. Relations. I just defined some subsets, any non-empty subsets of A cross A, R1. Now tell me whether R1 is reflexive relation or not. Whether A is related to A for every A. Yes, related म्हणजे काय ते ऑर्डर पेअर मध्ये यायला पाहिजे.
येस मॅम होईल.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Yes, ma'am.
1 is related to 1, 1 is related,
Yes, ma'am.
2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3. All elements are full here for every A in A. So this is reflexive. Right? This is reflexive. What about symmetric? What about
येस मॅम
symmetric?
सिमेट्रिक होईल. येस मॅम होईल.
Whether it is symmetric or not. For every A and B, what is our definition of symmetric? A is related to B, B is related to A. It should imply, no, sorry. Imply. Here. A is related to B, it should imply B is related to A. आएगा. A is related to B. 1 is related to 1 आहे तर
येस मॅम होईल.
Yes.
सिमेट्रिक होईल मॅम.
आहे.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes.
about transitive?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What about transitive?
Yes, ma'am. It is transitive.
A is related to B, B is related to A, it implies A is equal to B. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is
Yes,
now
Yes, ma'am.
this equivalence relation. So this is an example of equivalence relation. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What about R2? R2.
R2 is not reflection.
Not reflexive, right?
सिमेट्रिक.
reflexive.
इट इज सिमेट्रिक.
It is just symmetry.
Not reflexive. Whether it is symmetric?
Symmetric.
येस मॅम.
No, no. Where 3, 2 is
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
2 related to 3 आहे पण 3 related to 2 आहे का?
No, ma'am.
नाही.
This is not there na. So it is neither reflexive nor symmetric, right? Reflexive पण नाही आहे, symmetric पण नाही आहे. What about antisymmetric? A related to B, B related to A. It should have, sorry, transitive na pehle. What about transitive?
No, ma'am. It is not transitive.
A related to B, B related to C. आहे का? नाही आहे ना?
No.
So,
No, ma'am.
No.
so this is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. What about antisymmetric? 1 related to 2, 2 related to 1. आहे का? नाही ना?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
नाही.
Yes. So this is neither. Okay. What about R3? R3 is reflexive. R3 is reflexive. Check.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether it is symmetric.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Symmetric.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A related to B, then B must be related to A. What about transitive?
Yes, ma'am. It is transitive.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. What about the antisymmetric? A related to B, B related to C. Whether it implies what is antisymmetric na? A related to B, B related to A. It should imply A is equal to B. Nahin na?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So it is just. It is not partial order. Okay. Now this is neither reflexive nor symmetric, neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive, right? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So your homework is write down any two. Let me. Give examples of give 2 examples of each type of relation. Okay. We have defined all relations. So for every relation, you define 2 examples. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow we will define function and then we'll go to our syllabus.
Okay, ma'am.
Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so while coming tomorrow, you go through function. What is function? What are its types? 1, 1, 1, 2, all that 1 to 1, bijection. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you go through it early, then we can finish it fast and we can go to our syllabus. We can start our syllabus early. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, is this type of lecture okay for you, or any improvement I need to do from my side? Means audio, video, writing. Is this okay for you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
madam. Audio.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means this is like our class only, like board, how I write and like that only. So preparing PPT and that just explaining, I don't like. So I feel this much is better.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is
Yes,
perfect.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay, so you can let me download the attendance and then you can leave. Wait 1 second. Okay, I have downloaded the attendance. Now you can leave.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.